Okay, we have seen. Let us see one more problem. Find the equation of the circle passing from 2, 1, 5, 5, minus 6, 7. Okay. Now again 3 points are given. What you have to do? Or standard method. Let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, what is the first point? 2, 1 on it. So what will happen? 2 square 1 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 1 plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now 4 plus 1 plus 4g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. 4g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. First equation. What is second point? 5, 5. 5 square plus 5 square plus 2g into 5 plus 2f into 5 plus c is equal to 0. So 25 plus 25 plus 10g plus 10f plus c is equal to 0. Right? Now 10g plus 10f plus c plus 50 is equal to 0. Look at here. Only put the values properly, sir. Next, third point. Minus 6, 7. Minus 6 square, 7 square plus 2g into minus 6 plus 2f into 7 plus c is equal to 0. So 36 plus 49 minus 12g plus 14f plus c is equal to 0. So minus 12g plus 14f plus c plus 85 is equal to 0. Third equation. First equation, second equation, third. Always we have to formulate 3 equations. 3 equation formulate cheyalra. First point to first equation, second point to second equation, third one to third equation. Now 1 into solve 1 into what is the first equation? 4g plus 2f plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. Next, second equation. 10g plus 10f plus c plus 50 is equal to 0. Subtract minus 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 minus. C will get cancelled. Minus 6g minus 8f minus 45 is equal to 0. Fourth equation. Simple subtraction, sir. 4g minus 10g 2f. Okay, you cannot cancel any number. Next, solve 1 and 3. What is the first third equation? First equation plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. What is the third equation? Minus 12g plus 14f plus c plus 85 is equal to 0. Subtract minus minus. Okay, so this becomes 16g minus 12f, c will get cancelled, minus 80 is equal to 0. Cancel with 4 table. 4g minus 3f minus 20 is equal to 0. Fifth equation. Now we got fourth and fifth. Now we have to solve fourth and fifth. Okay, fourth and fifth by cross multiplication method. Again, g f 1. Put a line here, put a line here, put a line here. You will never make a mistake. Next thing చెప్పాను f coefficient తీసుకో ఏమొస్తుంది -8 constant -45 next -6 okay next -8 okay first f coefficient constant g coefficient మళ్ళీ f coefficient right next ఇక్కడ -3 -20 then 4 then -3. Is it clear? So g కింద లైన్ గీయండి, f కింద లైన్ గీయండి, 1 కింద లైన్ గీయండి. Then f coefficient constant g, then f again f coefficient constant g and again. So g by cross multiplication 160 minus of 135 is equal to, because 3 into, next f by minus 180 minus of 120 is equal to 1 by 18 minus of minus 32. చూసుకోండి సార్ కేర్ఫుల్గా. సో వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్, g by 25, because 160 minus 135, here 180 minus 120, 300 is equal to, this will be 50, 1 by 50. Now again minus of minus, therefore g is equal to 25 by 50, f is equal to 300 by 50. So this becomes g is equal to 1 by 2, f is equal to 6. What is the value? G is equal to 1 by 2, f is equal to 6. Okay. 2, 18, right. So f is equal to 1 by 2, and g is equal to 1 by 2, f is equal to 6. So cross multiplication method. Then put in first equation. Put in first equation. What will happen? Put in first equation. Here 160, here it is minus 300. So this becomes minus 6. Minus 300, minus 180, minus 120, minus 300. So f is equal to minus 6. Then what will happen? Put in first equation. What is the first equation, sir? 4g. 4 into 1 by 2 plus 2f, 2 into minus 6 plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. So this becomes 2 minus 12 plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. So minus 10 plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore c is equal to 5. Right? So very very important cross multiplication method, sir. Therefore circle equation, x square plus y square, x square plus y square plus 2gx. g value ఎంత వచ్చింది సార్ మనకి 1 by 2. So it becomes plus x plus 2f5 minus 12y plus c value is how much? 5 is equal to 0. Okay, look at here. First equation, second equation, third equation. 1 and 2 solve చేయండి సార్, 1 and 3 solve చేయండి. చేసిన తర్వాత క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ మెథడ్. ఓకే, పుట్ ఏ లైన్, g కింద ఒక లైన్ గీయండి, f కింద ఒక లైన్ గీయండి, 1 కింద ఒక లైన్ గీయండి. దెన్ హియర్ వి స్టార్ట్ విత్ f కోఎఫిషియంట్ కాన్స్టెంట్, g కోఎఫిషియంట్, f కోఎఫిషియంట్, అగైన్ f కోఎఫిషియంట్ కాన్స్టెంట్, g కోఎఫిషియంట్, అగైన్ f కోఎఫిషియంట్. Then write this. So cross multiplication. So this will be g by, look at here, minus 8 into minus 20, 160, minus of, always minus of, minus 3 into minus 45, 135 is equal to f by minus 180 minus 120, because minus of minus plus, so minus always minus ఉంటుంది sir. Next minus 18, minus of minus is plus 18 minus of 32. So g by 25, because 160 minus 135, 25. ఇక్కడ minus 180 minus 120 minus 300. ఇక్కడ 18 plus 32, 50. So f g value 1 by 2, f value minus 6. Then you got c value. Okay, please note down this properly. Very very important. Okay, these problems are most important. Okay, please go through this, sir. Okay, let us see one more problem. Find the equation of the circle passing from 5, 7, 8, 1, 1, 3. Okay, please understand here, these three problems if you understand, next problems will be very easy. Again, let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is the circle equation, right? Then what is the first point? 5, 7. So 5 square plus 7 square plus 2g into 5 plus 2f into 7 plus c is equal to 0. So 25 plus 49 plus 10g plus 14f plus c is equal to 0. So 10g plus 14f plus c plus 64 is equal to 0. Sorry, 74. First equation. 10g 14f 25 plus 49 74. Second point. 8 comma 1. 8 square 1 square plus 2g into 8 plus 2f into 1 plus c is equal to 0. So 64 plus 1 plus 16g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Therefore 16g plus 2f plus c plus 65 is equal to 0. Second equation. What is the third point? 1 comma 3. 1 square plus 3 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 3 plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so 1 plus 9 plus 2g plus 6f plus c is equal to 0. Therefore 2g plus 6f plus c plus 10 is equal to 0. Third equation. You got three equations. Again solve 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2 means what, sir? 10g plus 14f plus c plus 74 is equal to 0. Right? What is the second equation? 16g plus 2f plus c plus 65 is equal to 0. Subtract. Minus, 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 minus. Cancel. Minus 6g plus 12f minus 9 is equal to 0. Cancel with the 3 table. Minus 2g plus 4f minus 3 is equal to 0. Fourth equation. Cancel by 3. Next, 1 and 3. What is 1 and 3, sir? What is the first equation? 10g plus 14f plus c plus 74 is equal to 0. Right? What is the third equation? 2g plus 6f plus c plus 10 is equal to 0. Minus, 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 minus. C will get cancelled. 8g plus 8f plus 64 is equal to 0. Cancel with 8 table. G plus f plus 8 is equal to 0. Fourth equation. Okay. Third equation is over. The fifth equation. Right? Now solve 3 and 4. 4 and 5. By which method? Cross multiplication method. So G, F, 1. Write a line here, write a line here, write a line here. First where we have to start? Then to start cheyalra F coefficient. Then to start cheyalra manaki F coefficient. 4. Next constant minus 3. Next minus 2. 4. Next deentlo sir F coefficient 1. Then 8. Then 1. 1. Therefore G by 32 minus 3 is equal to F by minus 3 minus 16 is equal to F by minus 2 minus 4. So it is because G by 35 is equal to F by 13, because minus of minus plus is equal to F by minus 6. Okay, let us check up the equations again. First equation 25 plus 49 74, 10g plus 14f plus c plus 74. Second equation 8 square 1 square 64 plus 1 65. This is 16g plus 2f. What is the third one? 1 plus 9 plus 2g plus 6f. 1 and 2 solve. So what will happen? Minus 6g plus 12f minus 9. Okay, plus 9 sir, this is. So that is what I am saying. Plus 9. Cancel with the 3 table. So plus 3 will come. So again cancellation. So here what will happen? It will be plus 3. So start with 4, 3, minus 2, 4. Here plus 3 will come. So here what will happen? 3 minus 16. So this becomes what, sir? 29. This will be 19. This will be minus 6. Therefore G value 29 by minus 6. F value 19 by minus 6. Okay, you have to be very careful. Here plus 9 is coming because 74 minus 65 plus 9. So what is the G value? 29 by minus 6 and 19 by minus 6. Put in first equation. Look at here, first equation. First equation is 10G. 10 into 29 by minus 6 plus 14F. 14 into 19 by minus 6 plus C plus 74 is equal to 0. What is the LCM? 6 is LCM. So this becomes 290 minus 290. Then this will be 14 into 19. 36, 3, 126, 4, 1, 6, 6, 266 minus 266 plus 6C, because minus I am taking it to numerator, plus 74 into 6, 24, 2, 42, 44, 444. Okay, LCM I have taken. Now what will happen? This will be 6, 5, 5 minus 550 plus 6C plus 444 is equal to 0. Cross multiplication will give you that. So this becomes what, sir? 2, 1, 1 minus plus 6C is equal to 0. Therefore, C is equal to minus 112 by 6. You got X G value, F value and constant. So put in the equation x square plus y square plus 2gx. 2gx means what, sir? Minus 29 by 6. That is minus 29 by 3. Why? Because 2 will get cancelled here. Then F plus C is what? Minus 112 by 6. So look at here, these three problems you have to practice as many times, sir. Okay, this model. Now next one will be, one more model will be there, and next problem will be 4 points. Okay, please note down this. Okay.